So we're going to do a stain process type thing on the wood for the F100 bed. But instead of stain, we're actually using vinegar mixed with steel wool, like fine steel wool. So this has been sitting for like 15, 18-ish hours together. So the steel wool kind of dissolves into the vinegar and makes like an irony substance, and then it reacts with tannins in wood that has tannins. So our wood is white oak for the bed, which has tannins in it. So you'll see this clear, what just comes up clear on the brush, is actually going to turn our wood black, which will look really good with our gray truck. And it's a pretty cool process to watch it all happen. Like I said, it goes on clear. Almost looks like it's clear. You can see in the very first part it's already starting to turn black.
Coats.
So we're gonna, kind of depends on how it darkens up, which the longer you leave the mixture of the steel wool and the vinegar, the better color you'll get. So with the time crunch we have, we didn't really leave this for as long as would have been ideal. Ideal would have been a few days probably at least to let it soak and stuff. So, and then we get a darker mixture of it. So we'll probably have to do this again tomorrow, just to give it a little bit more darkness. But it kind of depends on how far it turns, which you don't really know until it's on. But it's a trick, because a normal stain goes on the same color that it stains, and then this, comes on like this, and it really brings out depth in the wood that stain usually doesn't.